Malaki pa premyo dito sa inyo.
Ano yan?
Ayusin mo yung sentence. Rumble sentence. Itatama mo yung pagkakala.
Okay. You are the apple of my eye. You are the apple... Ay, sunshine pala yun.
Feed the visitors animals not may... Animals may not... Wala. Feed the visitors animals... Okay. Visitors. Kulang yung ano nyo.
Tama yan.
Visitors may not feed the animals.
Ano ang galing?
Talaga gusto ko sa boy.
Had since meeting they that delayed already the decision. They had the decision already since the meeting. They had already matatama ko na eh. They had already the decision. Tama. They had already meeting since the meeting. They had already delayed the decision since the meeting. Tama? Tama nga?
Nice.
A, the doctor ball above brainy milk cow. The cow above the brainy doctor ball a milk. Parang mali. The brainy doctor above milk a cow ball. Mali! Bakit? Ginatas ang ball ng cow. Parang yun yun. That doctor, that cow above milk a brainy ball.
The students rushed through. The confused students rushed through the hallway. The confused students rushed through the hallway. May kulang? May mali.
May kulang.
The rush. The confused students rushed quickly through the hallway.
Tama! So mga bibis, huwag niyong kalimutan dahil birthday sale ko na. Malapit na ang aking birthday. Naka buy one, take one tayo. Kung hindi buy one, take one, 30% off. So pumunta na kayo sa TikTok, Shopee, and Lazada. Let's do this. Ang tamang sagot ay, if the cat is in the... Charing, wala pa. Alam mo, yung nagpapagame, hindi niya alam yung ginagawa niya. The boy...
Sabi ko, nabata mo na ata yan eh.
Ano ba? Wait lang. The boy hurt his wrist from the fall.
Oh God!
Isa pa! The doctor ball above brainy milk cow that. May ganyan bang sentence? The doctor, brainy na cow. The doctor milked a brainy cow that, the doctor milked. Ba't may ball? Above the ball. Above that ball. I for an I. An, A-N. Simula. An I for I. An I for an I. Akin pala ano ko. Thank you for this!
Malayo sa puno, ang prutas ay hindi malalaglag. Kailangan ba English na i-arrange?
I-arrange mo. Ayusin mo.
Hindi mo itatranslate. Malayo sa puno, ang prutas ay hindi malalaglag. The fruit doesn't fall far from the tree. Siyempre, from Magic Sunflower Oil and mga babies.
Alam mo, ba yung gagawin?
Hindi pa po. Bubunot na ako.
Go!
Change someone's day with your smile.
Gulay mo na eh.
Smile sometimes.
Paano yung smile?
Kirarambol ko ba siya?
Nakarambol yan.
Nakarambol.
Nakarambula na tayo.
Someone's smile. Someone's change with your day smile.
Parang sige sa tanga. A for apple.
Smile.
Change na nga.
Huwag na. Bawat dinadalaw mo ko gabi. Bawat gabi dinadalaw mo ko. Dinadalaw mo ko bawat gabi.
Ano ba dalo sa ito eh?
Ano, tama ba? Woo! 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 Gusto ko ipabango ng bahay. Yeah! Woo!
Ano i-arrange? Wait lang.
A. The doctor ball above brainy milk cow. Wait lang. Kakao.
Seryoso ka, Barbs ah?
Oo, kailangan to. May ano to, premyo to eh. Kakao. The brainy doctor. The brainy doctor ball above the milk cow. Ball above. A ball above the brainy cow. Doctor.
Tawa ka sa akin.
Kuya Akar.
Yay! Wow!
Itsura. Binubuhat.
Perfect. Sabi mo.
Sige. Sige. Ako muna.
Go.
Sige. Perfect! Oh, ikaw naman.
Perfect.
Wait lang, wala pa nga eh. Okay, game ah.
Go.
1, 2, 3, go.
Perfect.
Hindi. Dapat mo.
If you're not subscribed to Team Payaman, why not? Coconut Pocknot. Subscribe now and ring the notification bell. Gago!